Good morning children, hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now we are doing the last subtopic from block 20 energy. So the last subtopic is 4 renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. So children, you might have seen the advertisements about saying switching off the fans and lights when it is not needed, and to use the petrol wisely, and to use a carpool and a scooter too. Why they are asked to do that? Because they want to save the power. They want to save the sources of energy. That means, are they in danger if we overuse it? Are they in danger to finish it off? Yes. So they are in danger to finish it off if we overuse it. They cannot be regained it back very easily. So let us read an article from the workbook, children. Now take out your workbooks. Now children, open your workbook, page number 23. Look at the article given in the workbook. Petroleum and coal finishing off. December 8, 2013. All petroleum and coal sources shall finish off in the next 200 years, warn experts. The experts are warning us, in the next 200 years we are going to finish the sources coal and petroleum. The humans are using petrol at a fast pace, and this pace is increasing. Even the humans are using petrol at a fast pace, and that is not even decreasing, it is increasing day by day. As cars become more popular mode of transportation, more petrol is needed. So nowadays the automobiles have been increasing. So due to the mode of transportation increase, even the use of petrol also will increase. So coal is a major energy source. Increased use of electrical energy is depleting the supply of coal. So even the electrical energy, to generate the electrical energy also we need coal. So if the sources of coal, the sources of energy from coal, if it finish off, then we can see that even we cannot generate the electrical energy. And petroleum and coal is made from fossils. It takes the earth millions of years to make coal and petrol. So it is not easily to make it is not easily possible to make the petrol and electrical energy. So without the coal. So look at the graph below shows increased consumption of petroleum, also called oil. So here they have given diagram. Here world petroleum consumption. Petroleum, coal, biomass and hydropower are 4 major energy sources. Write whether each energy source is in danger of finishing or not. So by looking at this chart, you have to complete this table. Energy source in danger of finishing off and can be obtained again. So look at the petroleum. Is it in danger of finishing it off? Yes. So is it can be obtained again? No. And coal? Yes. Here it cannot be obtained? Yes. Here biomass? No, it is not in danger of finishing it off. It can be obtained again. Yes. Hydropower? No, it is not in danger of finishing it off. It can be obtained again. So children, which energy resources are in danger in finishing off? Coal and petroleum. By the article we came to know that coal and petroleum are in danger in finishing it off if we overuse it. And which energy resources can be obtained back quickly? Like there are some resources which can be obtained back very quickly, but coal and petroleum, they cannot be obtained back quickly. It takes millions of years to form by the fossils. So it takes millions of years to form the coal and petrol. So it takes a very long period. So such energy resources which can be obtained back are called as renewable resources. The energy resources which can be obtained back very quickly, such energy resources are called as renewable resources, renewable sources of energy. For example, biomass and moving water. So hydropower is quickly generated. So water always moves. So through the moving water we can generate hydropower and biomass. So these two we can, through the wastes we are creating biomass. So these two, moving water and biomass, can be obtained quickly. Such energy sources are called as renewable sources of energy. And thus, there are some of the sources, it takes millions of years to form. It takes a very long period to form, and if we overuse it, it can be in danger in finishing it off, such as coal and petroleum. So if there is no coal and petroleum, we cannot run our automobiles and we cannot make the electricity. So they are in danger. Coal and petroleum cannot be obtained back quickly. It takes a very long period to form. So such energy sources are called as non-renewable sources of energy. So we have learned two sources of energy. What are they? Renewable sources of energy which can be obtained back very quickly, and whereas the sources of energy which cannot be obtained back very quickly, it takes a long period to form. Such energy sources are called as non-renewable sources of energy. Are there any other renewable sources of energy? Yes, we have learned solar energy and wind energy. So when there is sun, we can get the solar energy, and it can be obtained back again and again. So it can be obtained back very quickly. So for the next day, we can get the solar energy again. Even the wind also, we can get again quickly. So these are the other two renewable sources of energy which can be obtained back again very quickly. So renewable sources of energy we have solar energy from the sun, wind energy from the wind, and biomass from the wastes, from the cow dung cakes, and from the fossils, and whereas moving water, hydropower from the moving water. So these are the renewable sources of energy, and coal and petroleum which are in danger in finishing it off when we overuse it. So we have to use very carefully, and we have to use very wisely to overcome the finishing of non-renewable sources of energy which cannot be obtained back very quickly. So this is about renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Now children, take out your readers. Children, open your reader, page number 127. You have to learn the glossary also. Renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. A source of energy that can be reproduced or replenished is called renewable source of energy. Underline replenished, reproduced, and renewable source of energy. Wind, water, biomass, and sun are renewable sources of energy. A source is said to be non-renewable if it cannot be replenished. A non-renewable source can be present in large amounts, but regular or excessive use can lead to its depletion. What is meant by depletion? To finish off quickly. That means for the regular uses and excessive use can lead to its depletion. So non-renewable energy sources cannot be replaced. Once these energy sources are used up, they get finished. It is important to note that we get most of our energy from non-renewable sources like coal, natural gas, and petroleum. So read the lesson, children, and even you have to draw this figure in your classwork plain side. Now look at the practice questions. See the 7th one. Today you are going to complete 7th and 8th. What is the difference between renewable and non-renewable sources of energy? So difference, give 2 examples of each. So you have to write this renewable and non-renewable, draw a column and write this answer, children. In renewable column you are going to write this one, and in renewable you are going to write this one. The movement of ocean waves is used to generate electrical energy. Would it be a renewable or non-renewable source of energy? So the movement of ocean waves is used to generate electrical energy. Would it be a renewable? That means the movement of ocean waves will be always can be obtained back again and again. So it is a renewable source of energy. So how? Because it can be obtained again and again. We can see the movement of waves again and again. So it is a renewable source of energy. So complete this 7th and 8th, and you have to draw this diagram. Renewable sources of energy, solar energy, biomass energy, and wind energy and hydropower energy. Draw this. Now take out your workbook, children. Now we have to complete first one. Already we have completed tabular column here. Petroleum is in danger of finishing off. So petroleum is in danger in finishing off, yes. So it cannot be obtained again. Coal, yes. And biomass, no. Hydropower, no. See the first one. Fuels for vehicles are being developed from plants and can be used instead of petrol or diesel. Such fuels are called as biofuels. Do you think biofuels are renewable sources of energy? Why? So biofuels are renewable sources of energy as we get them from plants. So plants grow back quickly. So if we grow plants, we can get the biofuels, and it can be renewable sources of energy which can be obtained back and again. So we have to grow more and more plants. Okay children, read the lesson and complete your works.